Hey everyone, today we're going to be diving into Fringe Benefits Tax or FBT and how you can use the SaaS tools to make reporting way easier. So if you've ever struggled keeping track of benefits like company loans, cars or health perks, this one's for you. So first, log into your payroll or accounting SaaS platform. So most modern tools have a section for FBT reporting. It might be under payroll, tax or employee benefits. And if you can't find it, a quick search in the dashboard usually does the trick. Next, start by adding all relevant employee benefits for the financial year. So things like car allowances, private health insurance, or low interest loans, they all count here. So your SaaS platform will usually ask for the employee, type of benefit, and value. So it's super important to get this right. And once you input all the benefits, the software can calculate the FBT liability automatically. So most platforms will apply the current FBT rate and even take into account any exemptions or even thresholds. So this saves you from manually crunching numbers and worrying about errors. And after the calculations, it's time to review the report. So simply double check that all employee and benefits are listed correctly. You can usually generate a PDF or CSV version for submission to the ATO or for your internal records. And finally, once everything checks out, your SaaS tool can submit the FBT return electronically, if it's integrated, or at least guide you through filing manually. And that's it, all your FBT reporting done quickly and accurately, without the headache or spreadsheets. So that was a quick walkthrough on preparing FBT reports using SaaS. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.